Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Cook with Elle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious, quick and easy, yummy lamb stew. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you do, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't. Without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe, I've got paprika powder, seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning, dry thyme, scotch bonnet, ginger. This is coming from the freezer, as well as half of the bell pepper. Over here we've got spring onions, chopped in tomatoes, half a kilo of lamb, and that is it for the ingredients. For more information, please see the description box below. Measurements will follow up throughout this video, so let's get started. So as you can see, I chopped onion, spring onion, bell pepper and ginger. Guys, I love bell pepper. I literally put bell pepper in almost everything. So guys, when I tell you this is an easy recipe, like trust me, it's an easy recipe. So as you can see, I cleaned the meat with lemon juice as always. So I'm now going to add everything and I'm gonna let it cook. This is like a one pot thing. We're literally adding everything, like I'm telling you, everything. So I'm adding a very small onion, spring onion, bell pepper and ginger. So we're adding it all in there. Then I'm going to add about 700 milliliters of water. So basically add the water just above the meat. So now I'm going to add the seasoning. Right here I've got a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, teaspoon of paprika powder and half a teaspoon of dry thyme, and of course I've got 2 seasoning cubes right here. I'm sorry, my nails, I literally need to visit the nut shop. I'm going to add it all in there. So now we're going to add just a bit of chopped in tomatoes. I'm adding about 5 tablespoons of it, not too much because I don't want it to be red. I don't want it to be loud on your face. So I'm going to add my scotch bonnet in there, then turn on the heat. So I'm going to have it on medium to high heat for 35 minutes. And during that time, make sure you check on it every now and then, give it a stir if it needs to, so this way it doesn't burn, because we don't want to eat burnt food. Do you know what I mean? So guys, after 35 minutes, absolutely delicious, guys. I didn't even add oil. It's just light and it's just perfect, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna serve now and eat. Et voilà, c'est prêt à manger. Sprinkling some salt on it. Ooh, that is it. Yes, guys, cannot wait to eat this. Yummy. So we've got a stew here, very nice and easy. We've got fufu and we've got here safu. I forgot what you call this in English, but if you know, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to eat. I cannot wait to eat this food. I'll speak to you guys later. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like if you like this video, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll speak to you all on my next one. Bye bye. Bon appétit. Hey, baby, kitchen too. Honestly, guys, this food, you have to try this. You have to try the lamb stew. I'm telling you, it was so delicious. I just feel so overwhelmed. I feel like crying. This food was just absolutely amazing. It was thebomb.com. You have to try this lamb stew and let me know what you think of it. Anyways, definitely bye for now. I'm gonna go relax now because this food took me to another level. I'm full.